We're about to go bike riding.
There's the Hudson. There's Jersey. There's Manhattan. A greener side of Manhattan. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. I had to make a hydrangea stop. Hydrangeas, and I don't even have scissors. Nobody's around. We're driving in the middle of the street. We made it to the park. It looks like we're out of the city. It doesn't sound like it. But this is where they do Shakespeare in the Park. This castle behind us, I don't even know what it is. So we're here in front of Belvedere Castle in the middle of Central Park, and this was built in 1872. And it was built as a lookout sort of tower, an observational deck, because at the time there weren't a bunch of high buildings and it was one of the highest points in the city. How cute is that? Look. It's too much fresh air. Park your bike. Because look, we can go off the path. Follow me.
Off the beaten trail.
Come here. Look, I always like this. Come here. Hiking in Central Park. Look at, there's nobody here.
Hiking in the middle of the freeway.
I officially feel we're lost. I never thought that would happen. Like, there's pathways. We're in the middle of Manhattan. And I don't even know how to get out of it. Not a bad place to be stuck.
Eventually we'll hit a building.
Eventually, yes, we will hit a building. Bye-bye, Central Park. Yeah, I know there's a red light. Oh, but it says walk. I'm going. City pedaling. Hello, Mr. Duff. Oh, jeez. I'm not hitting people, I'm hitting pigeons. After all that great bike riding, let's get
Pizza.
super sad. They're closed.
It's good that they have the day off though. That way they'll be refreshed when we come back tomorrow.
Mr. Brightside,